River systems of the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, flourished along the banks of two major river systems, the Indus River and the Saraswati River. These rivers played a crucial role in shaping the development and sustenance of the ancient civilization, which existed from approximately 2600 BC to 1900 BC. The Indus River. The Indus River is the primary and the most significant river associated with the Indus Valley Civilization. It flows through present-day Pakistan and northwest India, originating in the Tibetan Plateau. The Indus River provided a consistent source of water for agricultural activities, enabling the development of extensive farming communities along its banks. The fertile floodplains of the Indus supported the cultivation of various crops, including wheat, barley, and various fruits and vegetables. The river's regular flooding contributed to the fertility of the soil, facilitating productive agriculture. Next is the Saraswati River. The Saraswati River is the second major river system associated with the Indus Valley Civilization. While the Saraswati River is mentioned in ancient Vedic texts as a sacred river, its identification and existence have been a subject of scholarly debate. Some believe that the Saraswati once flowed independently, while others argue that it was a seasonal river that joined the Indus and Ghaggar-Hakra rivers. Recent geological studies suggest that the Saraswati may have indeed been a substantial river system that gradually dried up due to the changes in climate and tectonic activity. The presence of these two river systems was fundamental to the prosperity of the Indus Valley Civilization. The availability of water for irrigation, transportation, and daily life contributed to the development of sophisticated urban centers such as Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The strategic location of these cities along the river banks facilitated trade and communication, contributing to the economic and cultural vibrancy of the civilization. The decline of the Indus Valley Civilization has been linked to various factors, including changes in river courses and climate patterns, underscoring the dependence of this ancient civilization on its riverine environment.